Hello friends, we all know about bullying and many of us, almost all of us have experienced that too because sometime because of your accent or complexion or features people bully you. They don't like you, they criticize you. The reason can be any. It can be their insecurities, it can be their jealousy that they criticize you. And my dear friends, the maturity on the other hand is that if you're not bothered about being bullied, you can act in two ways. Number one, you can get influenced by bully and you can have inferiority complex. You can trust the bully's word and you can think that you are like that because bullies, when they speak very bad words about you, they criticize you, and you can either think that they are true, their words are right, and you are worthless. On the other hand, second type of people are those who ignore bullies and who, on the other hand, try to prove bullies wrong. They they work so hard and they keep on putting values in their lives, they keep on improving themselves so that they can show their worth. They keep on improving their self-worth. So my dear friends, we should never be worried about being bullied. Rather, we should ignore such people in our lives, and uh, we should think and talk to the people who admire us or who inspire us. And one more thing, if we don't find any person in our life which inspires us or which you know appreciate our hard work or all, the mature person is that who knows his or her self-worth and who does not depend upon anybody's appreciation and who does not get influenced by any kind of criticism, who knows what he is or she is doing is right, so he or she feels that God is by his or her side and she or he is doing right and they don't need anybody's approval or appreciation. So my dear friends, live your lives very fruitfully and keep on improving your self-worth. God bless you. Bye bye.